Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Wartime Whistles, where we talk about military history, rail fanning, and news in the Sonic the Hedgehog franchise. I'm Tyler, your host. In this documentary we're going to be talking about the Delaware, Lackawanna and Western Railroad, sometimes called the DL&W, or Lackawanna for short. The Delaware, Lackawanna and Western Railroad, DL&W, or Lackawanna Railroad, was a major 20th century Class I railroad connecting Hoboken, New Jersey to Buffalo, New York. In Livingston County, it operated a line requiring pushers at Groveland to tackle the steep 3.5% Dansville Hill grade. The 1943 Lackawanna Limited wreck in Wayland killed 29, while the line supported World War II efforts and experienced a post-war decline. The DL&W traversed Livingston County as part of its main line, connecting Buffalo to New York City. The railroad faced a severe 3.5% grade ascending from the Groveland Station Yard toward Dansville. The DL&W maintained a roundhouse at Groveland to house pusher locomotives, which were attached to the rear of heavy freight trains to help them climb the steep Dansville Hill. This, known as the Dansville Hill Challenge, was a significant logistic effort. On August 30th, 1943, the Lackawanna Limited, a passenger train traveling from New York City to Buffalo at high speed, collided with a local freight train. The crash occurred in the town of Wayland, Steuben County, approximately 40 miles south of Rochester. The collision killed 29 passengers and injured 114. Many from scalding steam when the freight train failed to obey a stop signal. The train involved was jokingly referred as the death car by crews due to the severity of the accident. During World War II, the DL&W, like other coal hauling lines in the region, saw high traffic volumes transporting essential war materials, coal and troops. The Phoebe Snow, based on a campaign launched by the DL&W around 1900, was a premier passenger train of the DL&W, known for its clean anthracite burning locomotives that allowed passengers to travel without soot. The DL&W merged with the Erie Railroad on October 17, 1960 to form the Erie Lackawanna Railroad, EL. Its assets would be absorbed into Conrail in 1976 due to severe damage from Hurricane Agnes in 1972 and subsequently bankruptcy. The DL&W main line between Dansville and Groveland was removed between 1963 and 1965 after trains were rerouted to the Erie main line via Hornell. The Rochester and Southern Railroad, a subsidiary of Genesee & Wyoming Incorporated, still uses parts of the former DL&W main line, from Graggsville to Groveland, before switching on to the former Dansville and Mount Morris Railroad line, from the Y at Groveland to American Motive Power in Dansville. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell. And please follow me on X at TailsAmyHQ. See you in the next one.